Today the group are at Sennan Cove, and our operation or objective is to repair, replace or remove any damaged fencing. These fences were originally in place some 20 years ago and done as a county council project. Obviously over the time the sand dunes have moved quite dramatically along the cove and have buried or covered up the paths and the designated routes. They've also had the ability to cover and bury fences, only some of the fences mind, so they're obviously leaving low-lying strands of wire, and this could cause a problem. From a health and safety point of view, due to the fact that we're using high tensile, we need to be very careful because this stuff, if mistreated, can be quite dangerous. What we're doing is we're using things such as hammers, fencing, pliers, spades, bars, sledgehammer, gripples for repairing fences, or if we can't repair them, we're just removing any dangerous and broken bits of fencing, or even taking whole stretches of fencing away and allowing the dunes to continue to move and recreate the habitat that was the original idea. Now, from a point of view of the paths, we're also trying to take account for the general public and the view that they tend to try and go to the shortest route and to the easiest route. So what we're actually trying to do today is to open up the original paths to give guidance and hopefully steer people in the right direction to protect the habitats and the environment, and obviously retain the features and the value of the area. The dunes themselves obviously are moving in quite a dramatic fashion, so obviously when fences like this are first originally put up, a lot of thought needs to be given into what might happen to them in a few years' time. And obviously we're now coming across large areas of sand that have covered the fences and have actually created a little bit of a problem. So we're making those safe and making it a more enjoyable and useful place. Obviously from an environmental point of view, the installation of the fences has had quite a dramatic effect and improved the dune structure and created a base for new sand dunes. And as you can see in this area, even this far up on the side of the dunes, there's a lot of vegetation, a lot of marram grass, and it's now beginning to become quite established and mature. And obviously, when we take a look down the hill, we can see that the paths themselves have obviously become overgrown and quite grown up, and in odd instances have become quite dangerous. So our main aim is to try and improve this access and make it safer for the general public. Thank you.